Alrighty guys, how's it going? We're gonna talk about Palantir, and in addition to that, let's talk about Mile Stock, my big swing trade that I might end up holding. We'll see what happens with the technicals, but the one thing that's kind of holding me back, I just want Mile to have some nice premium so I can sell covered calls because I'm really into selling covered calls. So we can see Mile Stock here. I posted this a couple days ago on the first saying that it looks like $9.46 could be a major hurdle. A few interesting things here. I drew an amplitude basically from this move, and basically this would imply a move potentially to right around this $9.46. This actually went a little bit above it, but we can see here the low, or not the low, but the close of this candle from over here was exactly $9.46. That's kind of the resistance area that we're watching. And again, this was from a couple days ago. We'll see that what happened today, actually, we start to interact with that number exactly. So we can see right now, this is the current chart here. And we can see it's just funny also how our amplitude just matched this exactly. I mean, so we posted this on the first. I actually drew this line back when we were starting to consolidate back here, but I only posted to stock twits on the first over here. So anyway, still the next two candles aligned perfectly with this trend, and now we're starting to hit resistance. We broke through a little bit intraday. We can see the highs of the day was $9.55. So we can see if there's something to the upside that's holding us back, but basically we thought that we'd start to see some sellers jump in basically at the close of this low candle here at $9.46. So this is going to be a major test. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some consolidation here even. And if we ever do go above this, I kind of think an open above this area would be kind of likely. So we'll take a look to see if on tomorrow whether we're able to open above it. Obviously, we can consolidate sideways or get rejected. Those are the three options, but this is a pivotal point to see if we can get above this line here, or if it's going to be a rejection. I think it's more likely in the moment we just consolidate sideways and build some strength before our next leg up, because I think this move might not be quite done. It could obviously be done, but I think it has some more steam left in this stock. And I personally think that maybe we can go see $10, maybe $11. $10 is the next major resistance area, but I think maybe we go to the highs over here. Possibly, actually, if we want to, this would be an interesting level right here. $14 about. Basically, this coincides with a few interesting things right over here. Basically, a lot of these lows here. So if we can get above this right here, this is the area. And if I'm just going to be in a swing trade, would be an ideal exit for me. So again, around $14. And this is also kind of nice because this would also almost be a double up of my money if we actually go up there. And I'm not exactly sure how long this is going to take to get there. This is not going to be a quick thing. We can consolidate over here a little bit, finally get above here, and make our way to that $14 area. So I'm not sure how long that's going to take. And before I get any further into this video, if you appreciate these videos, don't forget to put a smash down on the like button. It really helps this content. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you're up to date with these videos. And also, if you're into cryptocurrency, definitely check out my BlockFi link in the description. I'm a partner with BlockFi. You can get 8.6% interest with stablecoins. And in addition, you can get a 250 Bitcoin bonus. And this is the payout structure over here. So this is interesting. Bitcoin is at an exciting point at the moment, whether it's going to break to the upside or get rejected and go to the downside. Fingers crossed we go to the upside. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. And let's take a look at Palantir stock. We can see Palantir here. The last time we talked about Palantir stock, I gave a price target, let's see, of around, I think it was like 28 bucks. It was basically the gap over here. And so the low, no, $27.53. Okay, so $27.53 is about my target. So if we see $27.53, that's right around here. So the target is over here. Now, what are we going to do to get to this target? This has actually been an impressive trend line so far to the upside. We can see that we've been maintaining this nice trend line here. and this has been legit. So basically, this is not a perfect line here, but I would connect basically the line, the bottom of 511 to the bottom of 513, and connect that on your chart to make a line here. And that's the trend that we're watching. And if that breaks, we're gonna get a significant pullback. Now, what would that pullback potentially look like if we actually happen to get one? So it wouldn't be so surprising if we actually break this. So either we just keep marching up to our price target and yay, we win, right? To our gap fill here. And that'd be a nice move to the upside. Now, if we break below this at some point, we can consolidate sideways, but it wouldn't be so surprising to go back, retest this area that was previously, again, support in the past. So that wouldn't be so surprising to go here. I'm not sure if we would go all the way down and hit this line. I kind of doubt that would actually happen. This is kind of my more bearish scenario here. We go back down, hit this before resuming to the upside. Okay, well, I hope you guys got some value from this content. If you haven't already, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.